How do you guys think about workforce development in that?
Okay, so we're actually lucky in that we don't need a lot of high-skilled individuals. In fact, we employ several special needs, both developmental and physical. We employ a lot of that because, again, it helps us with seasonality. Part of predictability that I want is to be able to actually predict even further ahead, to be able to know what kind of workforce we can bring in. I'm growing my staff, and I've used, as a matter of fact, the apprenticeship program. My operations manager is a result of the apprentice program. I wasn't able to afford somebody off the street to come in and learn candy. I was able to work with the Department of Labor to put together a customized apprentice program for a candy-specific operations manager. So we do that. But I don't have the need. I have 30 employees, only 7 are full-time. We average about 13 and a half full-time equivalents by the time you add up the year. So what I don't have is the same battle for highly taught individuals to run a CNC machine or something like that. But what I can help with, and being acutely aware of the workforce need here, is as we touch youngsters, we're able to get the word out. And I'm doing this through every time a school group comes in, they're going to hear this is manufacturing and this is a great career, whether it's chocolate or not. So I'm actually able to provide a service and I've talked with the folks at CCAT about institutionalizing this and maybe using chocolate as a medium to teach the next generation and parents that manufacturing is a career that they should look at. Not everybody needs to go to college. Yeah. So although I don't have the same need, it's pretty easy to get people to work in a chocolate factory.